Tired of messy finances and struggling to track your income and expenses accurately? You're not alone. Many small businesses face challenges in managing their accounts. One crucial step to getting your finances under control is to create a robust and organized chart of accounts. In this video, we'll dive deep into Xero and show you exactly how to create a new account code. We'll cover everything from understanding the different account types to customizing your chart of accounts to perfectly suit your business needs. So, if you're ready to simplify your accounting and gain better control of your finances, let's get started. Understanding account codes. Before we jump into Xero, let's quickly understand what account codes are and why they're so important. What are account codes? Think of account codes as unique identifiers for each of your financial transactions. They categorize your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity. For example, you might have an account code for sales revenue, another for rent expense, and another for cash at bank. Why are account codes important? Accuracy. Account codes ensure your financial data is accurately recorded and categorized. Reporting. They make it easy to generate financial reports like income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Analysis. You can analyze your financial performance by tracking income and expenses across different categories. Compliance. Accurate accounting is crucial for tax purposes and meeting regulatory requirements. Now that we understand the importance of account codes, let's see how to create them in Xero. Creating a new account code in Xero. Log in to your Xero account. Navigate to the chart of accounts. Click on the accounting menu. Select Chart of Accounts. Create a new account. Click on the Add Account button. Select account type. Choose the appropriate account type from the drop-down menu. Income. For revenue generated by your business, e.g., sales revenue, service revenue. Expense. For costs incurred by your business, e.g., rent expense, wages expense. Asset. For resources your business owns, e.g., cash at bank, accounts receivable. Liability. For debts owed by your business, e.g., accounts payable, loans payable. Equity. For the owner's investment in the business and retained earnings. Enter account details. Account name. Enter a descriptive name for the account, e.g., sales, online, rent, office. Account code. Xero may automatically generate an account code, or you can customize it. Tip. Use a consistent coding system, e.g., start with 1,000 for assets, 2,000 for liabilities. Tax rate. If applicable, select the relevant tax rate for this account, e.g., GST, VAT. Tracking categories. If you use tracking categories to segment your income and expenses, e.g., by project, department, or customer, select the applicable categories. Select a parent account. Optional. You can group related accounts under a parent account for better organization. For example, sales revenue could be a parent account with child accounts like sales online, sales offline, and sales subscriptions. Save the account. Click on the Save button. Tips for creating effective account codes. Keep it simple. Use short, descriptive names and codes that are easy to remember and understand. Use a consistent system. Establish a clear and consistent coding system to ensure accuracy and maintainability. Consider future growth. Plan for future growth and potential changes to your business structure when creating your account codes. Review regularly. Periodically review your chart of accounts to ensure it accurately reflects your current business operations and make necessary adjustments. Example. Creating a sales online account. Navigate to Chart of Accounts. Click Add Account. Select Income. Enter Sales Online as the account name. Optional. Enter a custom account code, e.g., 4,000. Select Sales Revenue as the parent account. Click Save. Key considerations. Xero's default chart of accounts. Xero provides a default chart of accounts that you can customize to suit your specific needs. Industry-specific charts of accounts. You can find industry-specific chart of accounts templates online to help you get started. Consulting with an accountant. If you're unsure about how to structure your chart of accounts, it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified accountant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.